Rainbow trout filled Mike Lake today. Wow, what an occasion. I just happened to be hiking up at Mike Lake today, and guess what? 2 trucks pulled up full of live rainbow trout. And I was the only one up there because it was raining, and I was lucky enough to see this act of freedom at work for myself. There were 2 employees from the fisheries department dumping 1,000 8-inch rainbow trout into Mike Lake. And here's the first fish truck. Here's the second fish truck full of live rainbow trout. Apparently there are 3 tanks on board with 1,000 8-inch rainbow trout in there. A big hose is led down to the lake, and you can see the fish swimming through the hose, through the water, into the lake to be released to their freedom. There you can see quite a few fish in that hose right there. They're about 8 inches long, just ready to be caught, they said. Legal size. And here's the pipe and the hose going into Mike Lake down the ramp. And there's the water streaming in with all the rainbow trout. Here they come, 1,000 of them, brought in today, March 23rd, 2022. Apparently this is an annual event. It's not apparently publicized. I was the only one there, and it was purely by accident because, as you could see, it's pouring rain and everyone got drenched. The fish loved it, and they loved their freedom. They were stunned for a while going into the water, but they woke up fairly soon and started swimming around. Here's just off of the dock, you can see the rainbow trout. It's kind of hard to see because the water was murky, but believe me, there's schools of rainbow trout there, and if you look closely you can see them. So again, this is Mike Lake in Golden Ears Park. There used to be a big camp there, logging camp, over 100 years ago. Here's an 8-inch rainbow trout. There's some released rainbow trout, as happened at Mike Lake today. Here's an 8-inch rainbow trout being released from the end of the pipe into the water. Thank you all for your kind support over the years, and I greatly appreciate that. Thank you for the awards as well. And yes, I did go to school here, right where these fish are being released, just several miles from Mike Lake. And I worked up at the park and did work in emergency medicine for many years. Yes, I was a lifeguard at the same Maple Ridge Park. So please press on my caricature to subscribe to my free channel. Thank you. Have a good day.